Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
1. The key to making the best potato salad is to use starchy potatoes and let them get really soft, so they are partially mashed once mixed. This gives the potato salad a rustic, yet thick and luxurious quality. I like to use Yukon Gold or Klondike Goldust potatoes. You can also use russet potatoes if you like.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Some cooks prefer waxy potatoes such as yellowfin, Yukon Gold, and red potatoes because they hold their shape when they're cooked and keep their firm texture in the salad when they're chopped up and tossed with dressing.
Let's help you make your mark.
This is potato salad after all. Waxy potatoes are really the best choice here. They hold their shape after cooking and have a soft, creamy texture. If you'd prefer to peel your potatoes, it's easiest to boil them whole, then peel them and cut them into chunks.
Take our lead.
Regardless of what you've chosen to do with the peel, your potatoes will cook more quickly if you cut them up into chunks before boiling. You can also leave the potatoes whole. This is best for when you are boiling a starchy potato that can become mushy during the cooking process.
Take our lead.
Red potatoes are particularly healthy because of the thin, nutrient-filled skins, which are loaded with fiber, B vitamins, iron and potassium. Half of the fiber of a potato comes from the skin. On red potatoes in particular, the skin is already super thin, so it doesn't detract from the taste or texture.
Let's help you make your mark.
Substitute for Yukon Gold potatoes. Don't substitute russet potatoes for Yukon Gold because they are too starchy, and they don't hold their shape as well when boiled. A perfect compromise between dry, fluffy russet potatoes and moist, waxy varieties, Yukon Golds are incredibly versatile.
Let's help you make your mark.
5 days. According to stilltasty.com, prepared potato salad, whether it's homemade or store-bought, dressed with vinegar and oil or mayonnaise, will stay fresh in the refrigerator up to 5 days, if stored properly.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.